Hi, welcome to Media Dreams. I'm going to move to France, and for that I have to clean out a lot of stuff. So I cleaned this room, as you can see in the video coming next. And all the stuff that is going on Marketplace will be stuffed in there so that I have some room available. Now, there was a whole pile here, and I'm going to bring that to like a recycling recycle store, so that people with a low budget can purchase these items. It's for free, you know, you just donate. So and I've cleaned out the closets and demolished them, as you will see in the video, and we will bring them to the garbage post thing, the garbage place, the place for garbage. Yeah. Well, it's full and I've got no view on the side, so when I leave this camping, I'm going to get rid of this one first thing, because it's right outside the camping, and that one is going down here under here, like I can stuff some stuff here so I have a view of the right side, or else it's not safe to drive, you know. We'll see. Well, look at here, I've sold it and now I've got view to the other side. I even got the mirror, so views all around. It's all about safety, people, so let's rock and roll. It's the top 1000 on my radio here, and from the 80s, the 70s, 80s, and 90s, so that's a top list.
Wat op de oprit voor jullie. Het is eruit gevallen.
That was work, but it only cost me €6, so that's okay. That's actually not a lot. So now there's an idiot who's blocking the way for everyone. Signing away. All right. Well, so now all the garbage is gone. I can concentrate on cleaning, moving stuff, ordering things, and making the chalet better. So that's my objective. So I did a lot of work already today and it's going good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling proud, a little bit proud of myself, because I was procrastinating like an idiot. You know, I was doing nothing for months on end, and now it's going okay. So the moral of this story is that you need to get yourself some goals in life, and if you achieve those goals, you are more proud of yourself. I believe so. And you feel that things are really changing. So that's important. And yeah, this is what's actually happening with me, is that I start doing things. I have a clear vision of what I want, what do I want to achieve, and the things that are needed to progress to that final destination and a dream. So yeah, I'm going to move to France. It's just a matter of time. And oh man, some people just can't drive. Cuts me off. Oh man. Anyway, I'm looking forward to it. That's my message. Yeah.